Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have been teaching my niece French. And I think this eeBoo French bingo is très bien. So when you're teaching kids another language, it's really important to make it fun. So I really searched long and hard for some nice French games. There was a big variety, but I really liked this French bingo. It is definitely her favorite game. It makes it easy to kind of have a competition at the same time. There are a bunch of different category cards that go along with these cute little tiles that have a picture and a French word that goes along with that. You have an animal card, you have food, clothing, colors, and what's really nice is that you can each do one card at the same time, 2 cards, even 3 cards, and you just draw from the tiles. If it's yours, you say the French word out loud and then you put it on the corresponding square that goes with that tile. Or if you draw a tile and it goes with a card of the other person's, you have to still say the word and give it to that person. So it really forces you to practice these words. I like how on the inside of the lid of this box, it shows all the words, an explanation of how to pronounce these words, and the articles. I think if you are learning a new language or you're teaching your child or a child in your life a language, this is definitely a great game to get. I highly recommend it. J'aime cet jeu beaucoup. I love this game a lot. And c'est mon point de vue. That's my point of view.